I'm just like, you know, you're just like not feeling great. Like I've woken up this morning and I'm just like not in the best of moods. Like, you know, it's that time of month. I know I'm like on my 3rd day, so it's not as bad, but you know, you're just like, I feel sluggish, I'm tired. So I thought I'd pick myself up. I thought I would grab the camera. So I've just realised I need to paint the ceiling again in my bedroom. But anyway, I thought I would pick up my camera. I thought we would sit down together and transform this mess into something. So I bought some clothes for my Polly. It's like a trouser and a top. I thought I may as well do a makeup look around it using the new Huda Beauty Naughty palette because, yeah, I haven't used it yet. We'll just see how we go. But I feel like I'm going to make this my birthday edition transformation video because I actually didn't do anything on my birthday because I had food poisoning. Yes, I literally spent my whole birthday on the toilet shitting myself, which was interesting. Let's get ready, let's get started. I'm sure I just put you off your dinner if you're eating whilst you're watching this. So yeah, let's go. Meow, meow. Am I too pale? Maybe. Does that matter? I don't know. That's a good cup of tea. So now I've got my swanky robe on, which is cute. I'm gonna start posing for an Instagram video and maybe a TikTok. It is greasy, like I said, it's due a wash, which I'll do it tonight, but I'm doing a slick back ponytail, which is the perfect time to have greasy hair. Whenever I need to do freshly washed hair and do a slick back ponytail, my soul is hot. Oh, my granola's about to burn. I look like an egg. Okay, let me do this thing for Instagram. That'll do. So I'm using the S Repair oil, which is one of the oils that Michaela told me to use, and I love it so far. I actually put it on, so I've got really oily skin, but I put it on in the evenings and the evenings only, or if I'm going to do my makeup.
Down south.
Her baby. So her baby. I say her baby. Her baby. Her baby. Her baby. Her baby. Her baby. Alright, so now I'm just going to press that into my skin because I want my skin to be super hydrated and just like cared for before you do makeup. Do you know what? I was going to get the new Louise, what's her name? P. Louise, that is it. It came to my thoughts that actually Bye Bye Under Eye by It Cosmetics is pretty much the same kind of thing. But yeah, so I just wanted to do this kind of like vlog, and I actually wanted to speak to you guys about a few subjects, but now I actually can't remember what those subjects were that I had written down, so we're just gonna have to go with the flow and I'm just gonna have to talk about whatever I can think about. I'm trying to think what's relevant right now to my life, which nothing is really happening, so nothing really. Speak about the vaccine, but I feel like there's so much controversy. Can I speak? No. Controversy around the vaccine that I don't really know if I want that on my channel or like in the comment section below. But me and my friend were actually talking about like how much of a liars guys are. Like I'm actually really lucky to have met Ed. He literally never lies to me at all, like ever. And I had one where I was in Ibiza and I was seeing someone and he told me he was at his like family's house, and my friend walked past Turtle Bay, which is a cocktail bar if you're not from like the UK. He was sat there in the window with a girl on a date, and she texted me like, I have just walked past and he is sat there with a girl on a date. And I was like, oh my god, he literally just messaged me like 5 minutes before being like, how's Ibiza? How's your night out? So yeah, let's just say I drowned my sorrows in Ibiza, which to be honest, it couldn't have happened to a better place and like a better destination to be in. Can I open this palette? No, I can't. Bloody hell. Huda, do you want me to use your products? I'm not. Oh my god, I just gave myself a paper cut doing this. Come. Ow. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, this palette is... Oh, you can see my tea. Hello. It's Tetley tea, by the way. Doodle-doo. Look how gorgeous this palette is. Oh my golly gosh. Oh my golly gosh. How beautiful. Right, I'm just going to film this for TikTok again. Her baby, her baby, her baby, her baby.
Her baby.
Whoa, I've just lost my space on my phone. Okay, so I actually don't know what makeup look I want to do. I think I'm going to do like purpley browns on the outside and then something shimmery on the inside. I'm not entirely sure. So I'm going to take the shade Rough. Beautiful shade here, just an all over shade for the moment. Let's go in light. trying to think of, I did have a list of, oh yeah, that was it. So one of my exes, he had his eyebrows tattooed. And he told me he went to a salon to get them done, and I found out he actually went to his ex-girlfriend's house because she does eyebrow tattooing, and he went there for 4 hours to get his eyebrows tattooed at his ex-girlfriend's house because she does beauty from home, apparently. And I was a dumb bitch to believe him. And I just think, what is your take on guys liking other girls' photos? Like, I think it's really disrespectful. It completely depends on what the photo is and what the context is. If it's your friend who you've known for ages, or even if you've just met and she's, you know, bought a house, or she's done something cool, or she's graduated, or it's her birthday, or, you know, her and her friends have gone on holiday or something, fair enough. But when it's a girl literally half naked in like a bikini, you know what I'm talking about. They're allowed to post whatever you want to post. Like, she's not making you like that photo, but then you're actively going and liking that photo because she looks great, she looks fit. You're not doing it to like support her unless it's your friend. You know, I don't know, I just find it really bizarre. And he can like photos. It's like me, why would I go and like a guy's photo half naked that I don't know? He's some model, he's showing off his 8-pack, like, well done you for going to the gym and getting that 8-pack, like, it's hard work. But like, there's no need for me to like it. It does nothing but cause ag in a relationship to like that photo. And I just think when you weigh up the pros and cons, like, oh, would you rather upset your girlfriend by liking that photo than if you were to just ignore it and just like, you know, give it a bit of a head nod when you see it, but you don't need to like it? Is it just me? I don't know. But yeah, and then I was thinking the other day like how much I actually miss going out. Like, I was going through my camera roll, I just literally thought to myself like, oh my god, like how sad has this year been? But anyway, let's turn this conversation the other way around because I feel like I'm getting sad just thinking about it, which is not what I wanted to do. So when a guy says an ex is crazy, I know it's because of them, and I'm like, why is that, huh? I'm gonna use the purple, so I'm gonna use Untamed.
Make all the girls go crazy. Make all the girls go crazy. Make all the girls go crazy. Make all the girls go crazy.
But yeah, so I actually can't wait to go out. Like, I literally cannot wait to go back to normal. I cannot wait to go on holiday. I cannot wait to like go to a club, which I never thought I'd ever say in my life. For the first 6 months, I feel like when someone comes near me, I probably will crap my pants, and I probably will be like, whoa, like step back 6 steps. I picked up my hairbrush thinking this was the mirror. Am I okay? I don't think I'm alright. I like this. This is nice. Go stupid. I've been like seriously obsessed with watching Patrick Tar on YouTube. If you're a makeup artist or you just love makeup in general and want to know like the secrets of like celebrity makeup artists, then watch his channel. It is insane. Like, his makeup is incredible, his skin work is incredible. I need all of his Patrick Tar makeup products because they're just divine. I always find it like really hard to think of things to talk about on here. Like, I don't know. Okay, I like that. Go and get a makeup wipe. Be right back. I'll just wipe my hands, my dressing gown. The Hollywood Flawless Filter primer from Charlotte Tilbury. This stuff is so good. It makes your skin look so glowy. If you want a if you want a no makeup natural look, that is the key to having like nice glowy skin. Gives you the teeniest, weeniest bit of coverage. Will that do? Just slap that on all over your face. Then I like having a flat kabuki brush. To be honest, I really like the Zoeva one, honestly. Zoeva brushes are still one of my favourites, but I have been on the lookout for new brushes, and I got some new ones from Sigma, which I cannot wait to properly try them out. I need to get them out and give them like, I always like to wash new brushes. I don't know why. I always feel like they've got like a layer of something on them and they never work that well if you don't wash them. How beaut. I've been loving mixing Armani and then also putting a bit of Too Faced Born This Way on top just for like a fuller coverage, and I just feel like I want to do a full coverage foundation today. So go stupid, go stupid, go stupid, go stupid, go stupid. Oh god, I put a lot of oh well.
She's smart like an A+ student. She's smart like an A+ student. She's smart like an A+ student. She's smart like an A+ student.
Honestly guys, not even exaggerating, this beauty blender sponge from Doll 10 Beauty is the best sponge I have ever used in my life, and that is saying something. You guys know I'm obsessed with Real Techniques. Like, Real Techniques is the one, but this is one better. It is so blooming good. Like, honestly, I can't get over it. And then what's the other bit? Okay, I don't normally put on contour this harshly, but we're doing a TikTok. So we now take the sponge and we now blend twice as hard. This is in the shade Banana, but I do think it's going to be quite pale. Whoa, it's quite thick. That'll do. Whoa, this concealer is very good. My under eye is now white, but like, it's very thick. I mean, whoa. Whoa, I am now bright underneath my eyes, which is actually quite nice. I don't think I've ever had bright under eyes like this before. I've been using that Revitalash, and I have to say, my lashes have transformed. They're not as long as I would like them to be, and I have been using them for 6 months. I feel like maybe this is the length they'll just be, but they have gotten longer. I can't deny that. Like, they are so much longer. And this mascara is so great. It's the Huda Beauty one, and I only really like the Legit Lashes side. I hope that they do a mascara with just this side to it, because it's like one of my favourites. Right, let's do some highlighter. Where's my Urban Decay spray? The only thing I don't like about setting sprays is when they fall down, they go over everything, and it's like you have to clean every item. Like my phone and my mirror just then becomes like smudgy. So this is the Becca Ignite Liquefied Light Highlighter. It's coming off. Maybe I'll use Jamie's liner. So I'm going to use Jamie, well, this is the Vive Lip Liner in Bark. Oh yeah. Oh, I keep knocking that brush. That was in the Kylie Lip Kit in the shade Mind Your Business. Now let's sort out this hair. We're going up, then we're going high. Doing it all slick, I think. Slick Rick. An extension pony. Where's my hairbrush now? Because I need you. I'm seriously just not very good at doing slick ponies, but I do really want one. Right, let's just put this ponytail on. As if I'm wearing like something that's covering a lot of my skin up. Don't really want to have my hair down as well. I like my hair to be like off my face, just because I think it goes better with outfits like that. I should probably cut it, but I kind of like that it's got a bit of a wave to it. It's kind of like an undone vibe, which I like. Right, then we're going to take the gelatine. Whoa. And then I'm just going to hold this on top. So we did the la, now I need to finish off the la. Oh, I'm going to move you to the lounge in a minute so we can try on the outfits together. So we're either going to do the birthday suit that I wore last year, which is beautiful and it's so glittery, or we're going to put this on, because this is, oh, I do quite like this. Should we go and try them on? Right, let's go and try these on, and then we'll take some photos. This is the trousers from my Polly, and then this is the top. Or we've got my very sparkly, very bougie Nadine Morabe jumpsuit, and I wore it last year, and I said to myself, I want to wear it again next year because I feel like it's just too beautiful. So we do have this, which it is super beautiful, but you know when you're just like, the other one goes with my makeup. Right, let's try it on. Look at this. It's so sparkly, I love it. But I can't do it up. I've tried doing it up on my own. I need someone else here to help me do it up. But it is just beautiful. I can't get over this. I don't know, I feel like if I was going out, I'd probably either wear the, yeah. Oh, I don't know. I just think like in a club with the sparkles, and I had so many compliments when I wore this, like so many compliments. So I'm just going to show you this outfit because I feel like I do really like this outfit, and it goes so well with the makeup look. I did have to pretty much rearrange my organs as I was putting on the top and the bottoms, but it comes up a little bit small, so I don't know whether I needed to go size up, but I love it. My hair's coming out, I need to put it back in. I love this. Which one do you prefer? One, the black one, or two, the poly colourful one? I just feel like we get the lighting better. See, it matches my makeup, which is what I thought would work better. Yay! Okay, so I think this is it. So if I was going to go out for my birthday, this would be the one. Right, I'm going to end this video here. I hope you guys did enjoy this video and this transformation. Please let me know down below if you want me to do more of these, because I did really enjoy this. Even though it did take a really long time, I'm sure I'll get used to it and get like a faster pace. Sorry, my Hoover is in the background. But yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy. Stay safe and I'll see you in the next one. Did I do that properly?